Welcome to the MonkeyLMS Help video series. This video will show you how you can add and edit your users. Importing groups of users at once is an easy process. You'll need a CSV file with your user data. The specific columns needed are first name, last name, email address, role, location, and user group. If you don't have all the information in a CSV, that's okay. Once you've loaded in your CSV, you'll be able to make changes and additions. The import page will also tell you the potential fields available for roles, locations, and user groups. If your new users will have roles, locations, or user groups not listed here, you'll want to create them first before importing. You create roles and settings and locations and user groups in our content. Check out our videos on settings and user group and location tags for details on both topics. You can drag and drop your CSV file and then review the data available. You may have missing fields. It all must be completed before continuing with the setup. If a field is incorrect, you can fix it here. For the role, location, and user group headings, you simply need to choose from the drop-down options available. If someone shouldn't be included in the list, it's easy to remove them too. Once you're happy with the import options, you'll move on to the preview page. You will want to ensure that your users have MonkeyLMS on their safe sender list, and of course, permission to add them to your MonkeyLMS project. Continuing from here, we'll send an invite to each email address listed. Our new users have been added. You can see their status is invite pending, which just means that they have been sent their invitation and need to add a password to their account. You can also add new users individually. Just like adding in bulk, you can select the role, location, and user group for your new user. If you add one user, they can be assigned to teams. If you want to add users to teams in bulk, that can be done in Teams Management. Check out our video on Teams for more details. From the users page, you can see their status. There are 5 status options a user may be found in. Active means a user has full access to their account and has logged in at least once. Inactive means the user is unable to log into their account. Inactive users are not counted towards the monthly user fee, and so this is a great option for temporary absences, leaves, and other situations where a user will be away from the system for a month or more. Invite pending means the user has not yet accepted their invitation to MonkeyLMS. If the user didn't receive their invitation email, you can resend it here. There are also 2 lockout options for active accounts. A temporary lockout means that the user entered an incorrect password 5 times in a row. After 24 hours, their account is automatically reset to active, and they can log in again. You can change their status to active before the lockout expires. A permanent lockout is when a user has received 3 temporary lockouts in a row. This status isn't removed automatically. An admin must manually change their status to allow them to log back in. To search through a large number of users, you can use the filter options, including email, first name or last, location, user group, and role. You can also filter by status and sign in. You can see the last time your user has signed in from both the main user page with the column option or by selecting a specific user. You can choose what columns appear on your user's page. By default, in addition to the filters provided, the user's page will show the last sign-in date, creation date, points, and team data for each user. To hide any option from this page, just uncheck it and click Done. If you need to make changes to a user, you just need to select them, then select the Edit option. You can also delete any user at any time. Deleting a user is permanent, and all activity in the user's account is lost on deletion. If a user may return in the future, consider using the inactive status option instead of deleting them. More questions about MonkeyLMS? Check us out at monkeylms.com.